This is a DNS 5-month side lying shoulder rolling position. It's a wordy way of saying I'm gonna lay on my side and roll around my shoulder actively. So you've probably seen this 5-month side lying position in previous videos, but from here, let's go through the basic cues. We wanna have the upper arm coming in perpendicular to the shoulder. The shoulder is stacked underneath of your other shoulder, so we have a plumb line there. Legs kind of at a 45-degree angle, hips stacked one over the other. Now from here, we're usually gonna have some sort of a pad pillow so we can keep their head neutral. For video's sake, I'm not gonna have that today. Now our first move is we wanna give a little bit of downward push in the back of the arm. It's not really your elbow. It is the back of your tricep, bicep. It's a little bit of a push, and I like to have the cue of, can we create a little daylight under the rib cage? Now rolling from this position is just this easy. We could have somebody grab their ribs for feedback. We could give an intra-abdominal pressure cue. We can keep the arm at the side. We're gonna try to maintain that little side plank and roll around that arm while it's very active and roll back. And on this one, we could even go back into an RT2 opener, right? Where we try to keep the knee and the arm connected. We can just roll from here to neutral, which is a great eccentric stretch on the posterior capsule. I'm gonna flip sides for demo purposes. So again, shoulders stacked, upper arm perpendicular, daylight. Hopefully we can appreciate my fingertips here. And then I'm gonna roll forward as far as I can and roll back and roll forward and roll back. And that is our 5-month shoulder rolling.